For today's video, my friend, going to assemble and office chairs na recline. So first is need a cutter or scissors to open the python first. This my friend. After that, my friend, then we need to pull out the parts or lift up the part inside the cutter. So these are the armors, my friend. Arm. This one, the arm. Also this one. This one, my friend, the post cover. This one, my friend, is the backrest. So I'll show you later. This also here a manual. Push it aside. Ito move the. So this chairs, my friend, the material of this is fabric black. This one. This. So first thing first, my friend, is this one. This one is called, this is a Starbase. So this is Starbase, my friend, is a metal chrome. This. So since it's a new and look, it's a very full of bubble wrap. So I'm going to remove this one like this. So after we remove the bubble wrap, my friend, the next thing, my friend, is this one, my friend. So this one, my friend, is called caster. No? So this one is a caster, my friend. The material of this is a nylon plastic. Caster, the one that will move your chairs, no? Can move your chairs is wheels or term caster. So to install this one, my friend, here in so this one is the Starbase. So you can see here, my friend, there's a hole here intended for this one, and you need to fix like this, my friend, like that. So very simple, my friend, like that. So 5 pieces, my friend, right only. So very simple, my friend, like that, like that. So one. Now after install the caster, my friend, next one is this one, my friend. So it's a new, my friend, and look how do the packaging, no? Python. And this one is the bubble wrap. This one. So this one, my friend, is the dust lip. This is a 100 mm. No? So these are the dust lip. So this is a black dust lip, my friend. No? So the function of this, my friend, is up and down, no? Up and down of that chair. Oh, this is a hydraulic, my friend. No? See? So this is hydraulic, my friend. And this is the reason why your chair is going to up and down. So we need to, here, my friend, holes in the Starbase and simple like that. So all the chairs, my friend, is same constant procedure. So this one, my friend, we call this one post cover. So this one, my friend, we have available this in the store or maybe here in the showroom. We have here a dust stick. No, if you have problem with this with chairs, you can buy here at our showroom. No, so dust stick, my friend, like that. And then you need to cover the dust stick like that, my friend. So after this one, my friend, we just finish ready done, and you need to set aside this one first. So next, my friend, this one. This is, my friend, a citrus. So I'll show you. So look, my friend, this is a foam cushion fabric, my friend, citrus. So as you can see here, my friend, these are the mechanism of our chairs. Look, this one. No? So This one, my friend, as you can see here, this one is an arrow of the diagram. That one. So the function of this, my friend, is up and down of the chair here. No, later. That one or the hydraulic is picture. And this one, my friend, is the tilting of your chair. All the jump like this. So you also adjust here. I like that, my friend. See? Like that, my friend. So, so, citrus, my friend, and a full cushion adlock. So next, my friend, is you need to install that. So this one is arm. Yan. And other arms. So left and right arms. So this one, my friend, is the arm. And not this one is the PU or padded. This one. No, and sa fix, but you can take this up and down. So the plastic. And this is the pad. And this one is a metal. This. You can up and down like that. This one is metal. And this is not PU or padded. So this is for goes to right position, left. Like this. Maybe like that. So like this. So, so these are the accessories, my friend, for the arm, the bolt allen, and a washer.
Ay, Chard! Chard! Likat-kat ko dito, Chard. Likat-kat ko diha ba?
So now, my friend, we're going to connect the arm. So like this, we need first the right arm. This one. So the function like that, it goes to left side. Like this. Anong tanong ng kwan nga bigyan?
Chard! Perfect ayo. Wala joy iban.
So like that only, my friend. May kwan nga bigyan? Anong tanong ng kwan nga? Bolt and the other. Kanya na, kanya na.
Pila to iles, Chard?
Sakto, eh. Sakto, eh. We need only the allen, the three allen. Like that. And we need to tighten the bolt, my friend. Simple as that, my friend. It's a 20 mm. Like this. Like that, really. Tighten the bolt. Like that. Tighten the bolt only, my friend. Like that. And then, next, my friend, the right side. Like that, my friend. Like that. Okay? So just follow my friend, and you can do it in the right way. Okay. So here my friend, there's a T-nut installed, and for the bolt. But so for my friend, this one is the mechanism of the shape. This. So we need first to finish. So there are 3 bolts. Like that. Select that only my friend. Very simple my friend. Like that. So this is plastic my friend. The back of the backrest is plastic. So we need to tighten the bolt. Like that. Like that. Like that my friend. So like that. Okay. So my friend, now that the arm is installed in proper uniform, okay, next, then my friend, here, this one, you need to insert the backrest here. That. So this is our backrest. So this is our backrest fabric foam cushion. Design back is plastic. And then here, this one, a tube. Then need to this one, we need to insert it here. So like this. No? This one, put it in the hook like that. Then twist like that. It's very simple my friend. And then you have to do like this. Cover like that. See? So like that my friend. So, and my friend now, need to put the base. Put the base. So like that. Like this. So done my friend. So, so overall my friend, this is our piece. humble na o gusto. Ang ito piso.